Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to show you a few different ways that I'm earning free crypto on literally a daily basis. And I want to share that with you guys so you guys can too. So guys, if you are brand new to the channel and this is the first video of mine that you've ever watched, and you enjoy the content that I create or you think you might enjoy the content that I create, then please guys go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to go ahead and follow me on here on Twitter as well. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, and all kinds of crypto stuff on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow. You can find the link to it in the description below this video as well. So guys, today I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can earn some free cryptocurrency. Now here's the thing, you guys. I'm going to try and do my best to make this video as short as possible, but I like to talk and explain things in detail, so it may go a little longer than I have anticipated. I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. So the first things I want to show you first real quick is free crypto is not anything that you should be skimping on, okay? Nobody is too good to be earning free cryptocurrency, okay? Here's the thing. Earning free crypto, it's not going to make you rich, okay? But it is free crypto nonetheless, okay? Now, recently, to be brutally honest with you, I just recently started this a few days ago, to be honest with you. I haven't, everybody knows me as, being the type of guy that, is extremely honest and just tells the truth every single time. And, yeah, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys here. I've never heard of these things before ever in the past. I mean, I've never really heard of these types of faucets before. So it's pretty cool that you can earn cryptocurrency just for clicking a button and earning crypto or free Bitcoin or whatever. And guys, I have already tried to withdraw funds from these places, and they are legit and they do actually pay you, okay? So we're going to check out a couple faucets real quick, and then I'm going to show you another way you can earn free crypto as well, which is a little bit different. So all right, first thing is first, you guys, let's check out the faucets. So the first one is going to be on Coin2Ply, okay? So you got this website called Coin2Ply, and they also have a mobile app on Android and iOS. And it's pretty much a cryptocurrency faucet where you pretty much click a button, or you sign up, you click a button, and basically it rolls some dice, and you basically earn free crypto for it. And the way that these companies or these websites are earning money is basically by you watching their advertisements and stuff. So they are making money as well, which is how they exist and why they exist. So it's definitely not a scam or anything like that. They're earning money, we're earning money, and it just, it goes both ways. So it's pretty cool, and honestly, as you guys can see here, I've been on here for about 2 days now already. So within 2 days, you guys, I've already been able to accumulate 34 cents worth of free Bitcoin, which, to be honest with you guys, I mean, here, let's check out the calculator real quick. I mean, honestly, it's not going to make you rich, okay? But obviously, let's say, on average, let's say, okay, so I made 34 cents in the last 2 days, all right? That means I'm making roughly about 15 to 17 cents a day. So we'll take 17 cents and we will multiply that by 30 days per month. You're going to make roughly $5 a month from it. So that comes out to roughly 60 bucks a year. Now, guys, I know you might be thinking, okay, that's really not that much. But when you really think about it, you guys, when you're doing it from 3 different places, so there's 3 different faucets that pay, okay? So realistically, that's about $180 per year. That's in free Bitcoin, you guys. It's $180 that you didn't have before. $180 that you could easily turn into more when you put it into your wallet. Obviously, you put $180 into your wallet, and then who knows, next year when Bitcoin goes up, that $180 could be worth $240. So realistically here, you guys, this is why I'm saying that you should not be skimping on free crypto because, I mean, hey, any crypto is crypto, okay? Whether you get it for free or you have to buy it. So, hey, guys, I don't see a problem with earning free cryptocurrency. I think it's freaking awesome. So, but realistically here, you guys, $5 a month, that's really not that bad. And you can honestly, there's ways that you can earn more as well. There's all kinds of different ways within this Coin2Ply app that you can earn all kinds of different amounts of cryptocurrency. I mean, obviously you see here, if you download this game and play it till level 17, you're going to earn 275,000 coins. Now, 275,000 coins, you guys, that's a lot of coins, okay? I mean, look, I have 3,400, okay? And if you play this game till level 17 and you get 275,000 coins, you are going to be, and you do that regularly on a regular basis, you have the potential to make, you have the potential to make over $100 a year from, free crypto. So, I mean, realistically here, it is something where you can definitely make free crypto, and it's definitely worth it in the long term. I mean, I personally think it is really. So guys, The links to these free faucets, you can find these in the I put these in the description below the video. So if you want to check them out or you want to start using them, go ahead, check them out. I will say this, they are referral links. I will be earning from you clicking on them. So I have to say that. So all right, guys. So this is Coin2Ply. Okay. Again, they have a mobile app. Let's see here. So this is Coin2Ply, and then there's another one called Free Bitcoin. Okay, so it's freebitco.in. Again, the link is in the video description down below this video. Literally, you guys, you literally just scroll down here. Obviously, you can see here I only have that much BTC. There's 61 Satoshis, and that's all I've been able to accumulate so far in the past couple days. Literally, what you do is you just, literally, if the number that I roll, so I'm going to complete the CAPTCHA here, and then I'm going to hit roll, okay? And then it's going to roll, and if I roll a number that's between 0 and 9,885, I'm going to get a payout of 5 sats, okay? Or 5 Satoshis. If I roll a number between this and this, then I'll get 51 Satoshis, and it just keeps going on and on and on the further down. The closer I get to 10,000, the more I'm going to make. Obviously, you guys, if you hit 10,000, you're going to get a lot, okay? Which is pretty cool, but that's realistically, that's not going to happen. So you got to come into this free crypto stuff with a very, very, I guess you could say, mature mindset and not be expecting to make a lot. Come into here and only expect yourself to be making, the bare minimum, honestly. So guys, I'm going to click roll and we'll see what I get. So obviously, you guys, it says you win 0.005, whatever, 5 Satoshis, 2 lottery tickets and 2 reward points. Okay. Now see, obviously I was at 61 sats before. Now I'm at 66 because I added 5 more from the roll. And guys, you can do this at one time every single hour. You can see the countdown starting already. So in 59 minutes and 39 seconds, I'll be able to roll again. And so as you guys can see here, you guys, if you do this multiple times throughout the day, you can earn, you can roughly at least, you can earn up to at least, let's see here, 5 times. Minimum, you're going to earn 5 Satoshis. So 5 times, if you were to do this in a working day, realistically, there's 12 to 16 hours in a working day. We'll just round that off to 12 just to be safe rather than sorry. So 5 times 12 is 60. You have the potential to make roughly 600 Satoshis every single day just from rolling in this free crypto app. And it's pretty cool, you guys. That's 600 extra Satoshis that you didn't have the day before. So I see no reason why it's not worth it, you guys. Like I said, free crypto is free crypto. So let's see here, you guys. That is freebitcoin.in. And again, you can find the link to it in the description below the video. And then there's one more here, you guys. There's one for Litecoin too. So Litecoin, this one is the exact same as the free Bitcoin one, but it's for Litecoin, which is pretty cool. And again, guys, free crypto is free crypto, and it operates the exact same. Obviously, with your numbers here, 0 to 9,885, closer you get to 1,000 or 10,000. You earn a big value, which I don't see that realistically happening. So again, guys, only be expecting the minimum here. So guys, for this one, you do have to enter a CAPTCHA. So we will enter MG, I think that's a C, CJZY, and we will roll the number. And of course, I incorrectly entered it incorrectly. CQKUYB. Okay, everybody can see that, right? That's a C, that's a Q, that is a K, that is a U, that is a Y, and that is a B. Actually, that might be a 0 with a weird thing. I don't know. We'll see. Nope, that was correct. So I won 741 or 0.00 whatever, a bunch of zeros, and then 741 Litecoin. As you can see here, you guys, it added to my overall amount, and there you go. You got free Litecoin. I forgot to roll my dice here on this one, so I will roll the faucet on this one as well. So this one's pretty cool. This one's very big, actually. You solve the CAPTCHA, and you just submit and roll. Oh, these numbers. Okay, let's see here. So obviously, I just won 73 coins, which includes a prime number bonus. So obviously, you guys, the more you use this, so if you're using this for multiple days in a row, you will get a bonus every time you roll. So pretty much, the more often you use it, the more you're going to make, pretty much, which is pretty darn cool. Let's see here. All right, so as far as free faucets go, this is how they work, and this is how they are, you guys. Overall, free crypto is free crypto. Nobody's too good for free crypto. I know people who make a lot of money in the crypto market, and they're still using these faucets on a daily basis. So there's realistically, you guys, there's no reason why you should not be wanting to use or wanting to earn free cryptocurrency. So guys, again, if you want to check these out, check them out. The links to them are in the link below the video description down below if you want to check them out. But I'm going to show you one more way that you can earn free cryptocurrency very easily, you guys. And that is with the Brave browser, okay? Brave browser, everybody's heard of the Brave browser if you have not already. The cryptocurrency called BAT, or Basic Attention Token, they have a huge, large product suite for all kinds of people, okay? One of their products is the browser, a new browser. So you can ditch Google Chrome, you can ditch Mozilla Firefox, you can ditch Microsoft Edge, or is it Microsoft Edge? I don't even know what Microsoft's is called anymore. I don't even know. Now you can use Brave, you guys. Brave is an awesome browser. It's private. It's extremely fast. It's private. You will never see a Google advertisement within a website ever again, and it is just a lot easier and safer to use. It is an awesome browser. I've been using it for a long time, and I have no complaints with it whatsoever. And you get to earn money here, you guys. It's pretty darn cool. So pretty much. And it is optional. You don't have to earn money through, or you don't have to earn basic attention tokens from using it. It's optional. You can turn it off whenever you want, but I'll show you here in a minute. Basically, you guys, with Brave Rewards, you're pretty much getting paid in their token. Their token is called Basic Attention Token, or BAT, and you are going to get paid every single time that you see an advertisement from the Brave browser. But the advertisements aren't what you're thinking, okay? They're not malicious whatsoever. They are completely safe, and all they are little tiny advertisements or notifications that show up in your notification bar. So they're not advertisements that are displayed within the website whatsoever, because those types of advertisements, I mean, come on guys, everybody's been to a Google website. And everybody's seen a website on Google Chrome, and they come across a website that's just loaded with advertisements, and they're just annoying as hell. Well, with Brave, you'll never have that issue, because there are never going to be ads like that ever, okay? The ads that are in here, they just show up in your notification bar, and you just click the X button and they go away. But every time you click that X button, or every time you look at that ad, that's one ad, you are earning BAT tokens. So that is what is really darn cool about this, what is darn cool about the Brave browser. Just to put it into perspective here, you guys, it all depends on your location. Based on how much you make per month, you do get paid once every single month from the Brave browser, and you get paid out to, they allow people with an Uphold wallet or a Gemini wallet. And I believe anybody in any country can use Uphold and Gemini as well. I know me personally, for this case specifically, I use Uphold, and I'll be honest with you guys, the only thing I use Uphold for is specifically Brave browser payouts, and that's it. So realistically, you can use Uphold, no problem whatsoever. I've never had any issues with it ever before. Now, if you want to check it out and you want to learn more about it, hey, feel free to learn more. But honestly, you guys, you can earn quite a bit from the Brave browser. But again, it all depends on your location. Here's the thing, you guys. I'm based in the United States. There's a lot of advertisers here. There's a lot of people paying for advertisers here, or advertisements here in the United States. So realistically, here in the United States, I'm getting paid pretty darn good for, using the Brave browser. But people who are in other countries who don't make as much or whatever, or who, advertisers aren't paying very much, you're not going to make anywhere near as much as I am, for instance. And it all depends on where your location is throughout the United States as well. So, but just to put it into perspective here, you guys, just from this browser alone on my computer. So you are getting paid from your browser on each and every device that you have the Brave browser on. So I have it on my computer, or on my personal laptop, and I have it on my other laptop, and I also have it on my cell phone as well. So I'm earning Brave rewards on all three devices pretty much, and it's pretty darn cool. So just from this device, you guys, here we can see this little triangle icon right here. This is the basic attention token icon. And basically you just click it, which is your Brave rewards icon, and you'll be able to see how much you have currently. So currently within this current month, you guys, within this current month, I have earned 10.4 BAT tokens, or $6.93 worth so far. And there's 2 days left in the month that I'll continue to earn. So I'll probably earn roughly $7 a month from it, okay? So, and which is usually about my average. So I'm usually averaging roughly $7 a month per device, per rewards account. So technically here, you guys, I'm averaging roughly about, usually it's between $18 to $21 per month. I'll just, round it off to 20. So realistically, I'm earning about $20 a month in free cryptocurrency and BAT tokens every single month, okay? And again, guys, that's something that you cannot, that you can't turn down. It's really not. I mean, realistically here, you're making $20 a month. Well, times that by 12 in a year, you're making an extra $240, okay? And obviously that number goes up as, the basic attention token goes up as well. But that doesn't happen very often. So, but guys, the point here is free crypto is free crypto, right? Now let's see here. If you were to add, what you make in a year from Brave plus what you make in a year from all these faucets, let's just do the math here. You got $240 a year from Brave, plus if you're averaging roughly, let's see here, if you're averaging roughly maybe $60 a year from each faucet, $60 a year from each faucet, that's $180 altogether. So 180 plus 240. Everybody knows what that is. We've got $420 extra in that year. So realistically here, you guys, that's an extra $420 in cryptocurrency that you could potentially have, every single year. And again, guys, that's no small number. It's really not. You could easily turn $420 in the crypto market. You could easily turn $420 into $1,000 within a matter of a couple months, no problem whatsoever. And then you can easily take that $1,000 and turn it into $10,000 within, 6 to 12 months after that. So realistically here, you guys, hey, do not skimp on these free ways to earn free cryptocurrency. But if you guys have any questions, or anything about, any of these ways to earn free crypto, again, hey, don't be shy. Feel free to ask me anything in, on Twitter or something like that. I'm on Twitter all day long, so I don't mind whatsoever. If you got questions, feel free, reach out and ask me. I have no problems with it whatsoever. But again, guys, if you are interested in the free crypto faucets, again, the links to them, you can find the links to them in the description below this video. If you want to learn more about Brave browser and you want to start earning from the Brave browser, just come to brave.com/Brave Rewards. Or go to Google and type in Brave Rewards and you can find it there. Then you'll literally get to this page, you guys, and you just click download Brave and you'll end up downloading the Brave browser. And from there, you guys, it's pretty self-explanatory. From there, you'll start earning and you can set up your account and you can link it to your exchange, and there you go. You're good to go. But overall, you guys, I think I pretty much covered everything I wanted to cover here, so I will go ahead and wrap this video up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.